I have rented a house in Washington DC, VNV. Let me show you the view. There are two bedrooms in this. Look at the first bedroom. This is the cupboard, old typewriter. This is bed. One table and chair. Look at this, a big TV. This is also a table here. One table with drawers, table lamp. And look at the big mirror. How big mirror is there? And this, I showed you the entrance here. Now this is the second bedroom. Look at this. Very beautiful room. Carpet is there everywhere. Someone is there? Okay. Look at this. Old telephone, typewriter. And there is a sitting area. TV is there, sofa, couch आराम से बैठ सकते हैं. And one kitchen. Everything is available here so that you can cook. Gas, fridge. Washing and drying area also here. This is dining table. Let me show the washroom here. This is the washroom area. Everything is so neat and clean.